Hey Bladers, welcome back to Afifex Pokeblade. Today we are diving deep into the mechanics of assembling and launching Beyblades from different generations, including Evolution, Turbo, Rise, Surge, QuadDrive and QuadStrike. Whether your Beyblade spins to the right or to the left, I got you covered. So grab your Bey and let's get started. Before we begin assembling, let's break down the essential parts of a Beyblade. First, we got the energy layer. And next we got forge disc. And the last one is performance tip / driver. You can call it anything. GT chip / DB core for advanced Beyblades. Now that we have an understanding of each part, let's move on to assembly. Start with the right spin energy layer. This is the energy layer, and position the forge disc beneath the energy layer, ensuring a proper fit. Like this. I'm not sure if you can see it properly. Yeah, and make sure the small notch here. Make sure the small notch on the performance tip lines up perfectly with the hole in the forge disc. This is the hole, so it should be aligned like this. You should press it hard. Now we have to twist it a little bit clockwise. Yep. Double check the stability. Your Beyblade should be locked and ready for battle. Do the same for turbo bays. Now to launch a bay, use a right spin launcher for a right spin bay. Attach the Beyblade firmly to the launcher until it clicks. Then twist it 3 times clockwise for right spin Beyblades. 1, 2, 3. Hold the launcher steady and pull the ripcord or string smoothly but with power. Let it trip. Now for Rise or GT base, it's the same thing, but there's a metal thing here and a chip. So what you have to do is place the metal chip right over here on the energy layer, I don't know, and place the chip above it like this until you hear a click, and lock here, and now it's locked. Now the usual thing, place the forge disc and now the performance chip, and yeah, and now twist it to clockwise, and now you have it. Now for left spin base, for example this one, I can show you. It's the same thing. So I'll take this chip and place it on this white energy layer like this. Yeah, and lock it over here. Now place the forge disc in these holes, and as usual, performance tip, this knot should be aligned in this hole. Yep, done. So because this is left spin bay, you have to twist it counterclockwise, so like this. Yeah, so to launch it, or take a launcher, to launch it with this type of launcher, so as you can see, this is in the right spin mode. So to change it, we have to pull this, and now it's in left spin. Lock it. Now you have to twist it counterclockwise. 1, 2, and let it go. Now it's time for surge base. Let's go. I'm going to take Brave Valkyrie here, and it's the same. Let me show you. Here you have to unlock it like this. Place it here until you hear a click and twist it. Yeah, okay. Now it's the same thing. Place the forge disc. Yeah. Now you have to place this notch into these holes and twist it clockwise because this is a right spin pin. Okay. Now for ball spriggan. For this, it's a little difficult. Let me show you. Yeah. This is the same as the one I showed you here. Almost the same. You have to remove this tip. This chip. It's not off. Yeah, came off. Now there is two sides, not separate ones. So this is for right spin, as you can see here, and this is for left spin here. So for right spin we already saw for Brave Valkyrie. So now I'm going to show you for left spin. Place it here. You might want to twist this when switching. Okay. Yeah, twist it. Yep. Now place the forge disc. And now the performance step. You have to like twist it counterclockwise because this is a left spin wheel. And it's ready. Now I'll show you how to launch it. So I'm going to take a launcher. So this is a sparking launcher. This is like made for surge base, but you can use it for any base. So I'm going to take this one. This is right spin area and this is left spin. So let's take Brave Valkyrie and yeah, 1, 2, 3 and launch it. 3, 2, 1. Alright, now let's see for world spriggan. Because this is a left spin, we have to insert the ripcord over here and twist it counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2, 1, and that's how you do it. Shall we move on to QuadDrive base? Yeah, let's go. And now for QuadDrive base. Let's go. So there are two different modes on QuadDrive base, high mode and low mode. Let me show you. So this is the chip that we saw in Surge and Rise. And I don't know the name of this, I forgot, so let me know in the comments below. So this is right spin and this is left spin. This is Astar Spriggan, the next evolution of World Spriggan. Place this above here. No, here. You can do both ways. And place this chip below this. Yeah, below this. No, I'm doing the wrong way. I want to do the left spin. Yeah. Yep, it's logged, I think. Yep. And there you have it. And as usual, place the forge disc and the performance strip and give it a twist. This is clockwise. And for low mode, you have to place this chip above here and this thing below here and lock it. Attach the forge disc, the performance strip or driver, and twist it clockwise because this is right spin, and it's ready. Now I'll show you how to launch it. They gave me this launcher for QuadDrive base, so I'll use this one. This is for right spin, and if you remove this and put it the opposite way, let me show you. Look here. It's not locked. Yeah, it's locked. This is a string launcher. Yep. So let's launch it. Oh, because I have right spin bay right here, I'm just gonna attach it and twist it clockwise. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Get it. And that's it for the QuadDrive base. Now let's move on to the QuadStrike base. The same thing we done for QuadDrive base is also applied to the QuadStrike base, high mode and low mode. This is how the high mode looks like. So let me, yeah, this is the high mode. I'll show you how to assemble it. So you have to place this above the energy layer and the chip below it. Now it's logged in. I'm going to close this, and this is how it looks like. Now attach the forge disc. Where is it? Okay, I found it. I'm going to fix it here. And the performance strip / driver. Oh, that's hard because this is a QuadStrike base. It's hard to stick. Yeah, for left spin base you have to spin it counterclockwise. Alright, I have it here. Now let's launch this. I'm going to twist it clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now we can do the same thing in low mode. I have to take this out. You have to place this metal over here below the energy layer and this tip above the energy layer, completely the opposite of high mode. Yep. Now I lock in here. Place the fourth disc. Test it. Now it's ready. Let's launch it now. Okay, now let's launch it. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh, that's fast. Oh, okay. Okay, alright. Calm down. Ooh, it's really good. And there you have it, a complete breakdown of how to assemble and launch Beyblades across multiple series. Now you are ready to dominate the Beyblade arena with Evolution, Turbo, Rise, Surge, QuadDrive and QuadStrike Base. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more top tier Beyblade content. Until next time, let it rip!